Imagine a world where machines learn from experience, adapt to new inputs, and perform human-like tasks. Welcome to the world of artificial intelligence. AI is a marvel of modern technology, built on principles of machine learning, neural networks, and deep learning. It is a discipline that strives to create intelligent machines that work and react like humans. It's not about building a robot that can beat us at chess, but about creating systems that can understand, learn, predict, adapt, and potentially even function autonomously. AI's potential is vast, and its applicability spans across numerous sectors. It can help doctors diagnose diseases, enable businesses to better understand their customers, and even assist in the creation of new, groundbreaking artworks. It's a tool that augments human capabilities, making us better, faster, and more efficient. From self-driving cars to voice-activated virtual assistants, AI is no longer a futuristic concept but a reality. Artificial intelligence has permeated every corner of our world, transforming sectors in ways we could only dream of a few years ago. Let's delve into a few of these sectors to see how AI is revolutionizing our day-to-day lives. Starting with healthcare, AI has brought about a paradigm shift in how we diagnose and treat diseases. Imagine a world where diseases are predicted even before they manifest. Thanks to AI-powered predictive analytics, AI algorithms are now capable of analyzing complex medical data to provide accurate diagnosis and treatment recommendations, often outperforming human doctors in certain tasks. This not only enhances patient care, but also reduces the workload on healthcare professionals. Moving to the education sector, the traditional one-size-fits-all approach is being replaced by AI-enabled personalized learning. AI can analyze a student's learning pace, strengths and weaknesses, and tailor educational content to meet their unique needs. This personalized approach has been shown to improve student engagement and learning outcomes. In the world of finance, AI is the new sheriff in town, fighting financial fraud. Advanced AI systems can analyze billions of transactions in real time and detect suspicious patterns that might indicate fraudulent activity. This proactive approach helps in mitigating financial losses and maintaining the trust of customers. Lastly, let's look at the entertainment industry. Ever wondered how streaming platforms are so spot on with their recommendations? That's AI at work. AI algorithms analyze your viewing patterns and preferences to suggest content you might enjoy. This not only enhances your viewing experience, but also helps platforms retain users by keeping them engaged with relevant content. As you can see, AI has become a game changer in these sectors, enhancing efficiency, accuracy, and productivity. This is just the tip of the iceberg, with AI's potential still largely untapped. As we continue to innovate and push the boundaries, who knows what the future of AI holds? The implications of AI's rapid advancement are profound and far-reaching. We've seen how it's revolutionizing sectors from healthcare to education, automotives to entertainment. By streamlining operations and enhancing decision-making, AI is driving unprecedented levels of efficiency. Personalized experiences, once a luxury, are now becoming commonplace, thanks to AI's ability to analyze individual preferences in real time. Yet, as with any seismic shift, there are challenges to navigate. The automation of tasks could lead to job displacement, requiring us to rethink traditional career paths and education. Privacy concerns arise as AI's capability to gather and interpret personal data expands. These are complex issues that will shape our collective future. In an era marked by digital transformation, artificial intelligence stands as a testament to human innovation, reshaping our world in ways we are only beginning to understand. As we continue to harness its potential, the question remains, how will we adapt to a world where AI is the norm?